Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make these really cute press-on cow print nails. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I already did 5 nails, so this video wouldn't be like 30 minutes long. So we're going to go ahead and start with our press-on sets by Makartt. I've already buffed them and prepped them and ready for a primer. So I'm going to go ahead and put down the foundation, and that's by Beetles. I'm going to make sure I do brush strokes frontwards and backwards so it won't be bulky when you're putting them on, because gel can sometimes cure bulky. So I'm going to let y'all guys watch that, and yeah, I'll be back. I want to add you guys that my nails are black like that because I was tie-dyeing my baby's outfit, so excuse my nails in this video too, you guys. Okay, yeah, get back to the video. So I went ahead and cured that in my lamp for 60 seconds. And I'm going to go ahead and take this nude color, also by Beetles, in 509. And I'm going to do 2 coats of that to all 5 of the nails. And again, just like we did the foundation, we're going to go ahead and do forwards and backward strokes to make sure it's not bulky for your client or for yourself when you get ready to put them on. Alright, so I did the last one, and I'm going to also pop those in my lamp for 60 seconds, and here they are. So now I'm going to take the black, also by Beetles, or you can use any black, they don't have to be by Beetles, you guys, whatever works for you. And my little brush, it's like a little pointer brush, it's not that big. And we're going to go ahead and make these spots, cow prints, and pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Alright, you guys, so here's our finished set. You can leave it glossy like this, but of course I like the matte one. It looks so much better, so I'm going to do it matte, but of course you can do whichever one you decide to do. So I'm going to take this matte by Modelones, or Modelones, however you pronounce it, and yeah, here they are. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on my social media. Bye, guys.